Well, hello and happy Friday, everyone. Just checking in here late afternoon on Friday the 13th, just before the market closes. Want to see if we do, in fact, end up getting assigned that position in Intel, and it looks like that will be the case because we are 20 cents below the strike price, so we are in the money for sure. But we are still above my break-even price, which would be $20.20. So for the most part, I still gain a little if we stay above 2020. And who knows? It could jump at the last second and we don't get assigned, but that's okay. We took the position being willing to hold the stock, and then sell covered calls against it in the future, as we also appreciate the capital gains with hopefully Intel starting its little comeback. So yeah, that's where we're at there. We've got about 7 minutes until anything happens on that front. So I did add another ticker to the watch list this week here. I added T, which is AT&T. Uh, and yeah, it looked a little bit better earlier when I peeked at it, but it doesn't look unappealing. Let me zoom out here and show you the chart. This is showing pretty much all of 2024 so far, so almost a full year's time frame right here, or exactly one full year's time frame, and it's got this up and to the right pattern, so that makes a lot of sense. So looking for some sort of a decent little pullback on this. It really isn't coming down to this bottom Bollinger very often at all. It keeps kind of bouncing between the median line there and the top. So we're not an optimal position. I don't know if I want to take a stab at it at this point or not, but the lower Bollinger Band is also on the incline, so this number here is going to be rising a little bit over time if it continues the same trend that it's been on. So the 2249 is about where the bottom Bollinger Band is right now. So let's just say that would be kind of like an optimal place to get in. But we all know that we're never going to get that optimal price. So sometimes you just have to go with your gut. So yeah, it hasn't been really below that median line since October 21st, so a couple of months. So either it's due or it's not. Nothing's for sure in the markets, that's for sure. Nothing's for sure, that's for sure. Yeah, maybe I'll put that on a t-shirt and not sell it because it's a stupid saying. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to take a peek at the others here. Pfizer had my attention a little bit. But yeah, that did just come off the bottom Bollinger there, but it's leaning back up towards over excuse me, overbought again. So is that the case? I don't know. Let's slide out and look at the full year on this. It's running right around that bottom range there. That's the one I really wanted to get into next, but I'm going to try not to allow my skewed views or personal feelings to get into that. I would like to own some Pfizer, just like I said, because I know they have that. Oh man, here we go, stuck on that word again. What is that word? The investor activist. Yes, they have an activist investor. So I can't remember for sure that's Allison or not, but generally has the ability to make things go up. So that one visually is a little more appealing in relation to the current price within the Bollinger Bands. The stochastic is a little high for my liking. Let's see, Carnival, worse. That's this is one that just hasn't really touched the bottom Bollinger Band until back in August. It's just running high. I see a little bit of a reduction in momentum here right now, so I'm hoping somewhere in the next month or so we'll get some sort of a pullback and offer us a decent entry place. Silver Trust. Ooh, that took a big old slide down today. And did gap down and getting back into the oversold area. What do these trades look like? Let's see. Oh, I forgot this one here, the Silver Trust. It trades 3 days a week. So that is a whole different level of paying attention. Let me see here. What's the next one? So today's the 13th. That's 0 DT. So 16th is going to be Monday. That's kind of crazy. You can make 7 cents between now and Monday. You could almost play this 3 times a week and just, seems like you're rolling up pennies, but those turn into dollars because they're contracts of 100. Yeah, let's see. Oops, didn't mean to hit that button. So six, just want to get an idea of between so that'd be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday, 19 cents to Wednesdays, and Fridays, 26 cents. That is, man, that's pretty decent. Let's look at the chart again. Okay, bottom Bollinger is 27.47 and 27.76 now. Let's go back to the table. Yeah, I mean, that's 26 cents. If we get in there, that's the bottom Bollinger Band, and we get 26 cents, actually $26 to do so. Let's do this. Let's bump it up one more to the 27. See if we can't cover the commission, and let's review. And so $530.23 is our buying power. Oh, and it filled just like that. All right. Yay. Okay, so let's start a new sheet. Master, duplicate. Excuse me, I still got a little bit of that cough. Drag it over here. And we just bought SLV, or an option in SLV. So let's just jump up here and SLV. That'll propagate current price, today's date. We sold a put for, I believe it was the 20th, and that's is for, man, I lost my mind already. Let's go look at our positions. Silver, okay, 27.50. Let's see. 7.5, one contract, is that 0.27, and let's see, $1 and 0.13, because that's what they always do. And that is filled out completely. Buying power effect was not 0.13. That's not what we want. That's 1.13 is what that was. This was, I believe, 510.30 or 530.10. I'll have to look at the video and maybe change that. So let's go back over and see what happens with Intel here at the end of the day. It's come up a nickel since we last looked at it. And oh, it's 401, so I believe the market is closed. If it isn't closed, it's closing in a second, and that would mean, where's our little hover over today. Today's close is, yeah, 2034, exactly what we see up there. So we will, in fact, I will, in fact, have 100 shares of Intel in my account on Monday morning. So what will that look like on the spreadsheet? We'll come over here and we will go with, I don't think that constitutes going into my account today, but I know for Monday for sure it'll be in there. It'll be assigned bought 100 shares at 20.50. So my investment in Intel as of Monday will be $2,000.50, which is 100 shares, and that's that. So let's sneak over here real quick. Yep, see a lot of this propagated that wasn't in there a minute ago. So $20,000 or $20,000. That'd be a lot of Intel. So $2,000, and so the value of it currently. Oh, nope. Hey, guess what? That's how dumb I am. I entered into the wrong tab. All right, so we shall definitely not add that there. Let's go to the correct sheet. All right, so what do we say? 16th is the day. Monday should be there, assigned. 100 shares, 20.50, 222. Everything else is there. Now we can slide over, see what's going on here. Can finish this one up here. Let's see. It's due to expired. It didn't cost anything to close. Oh, sorry. Nope, that's today's date is what that is. Closing cost was 0. So nothing was debited from the account. $8.87 profit. Daily profit on that trade was $7.22. And we now have the position. So this is where we're at. I'm going to need to, as I add more information into this spreadsheet, I'm going to have to go back and just manually double check a lot of my figures here, because I need to make sure that the formulas are right. Somebody has already asked me to share this spreadsheet, and I definitely appreciate the interest, but I need to make sure that the formulas are right, because I do not want to be giving somebody a spreadsheet that is going to potentially cost them money by doing bad math somewhere. So let me fix these, get them running, test them out, test drive them and whatnot, and then we'll go from there. We'll see about getting them out there to you guys if you really have an interest in them. So yeah, there we go. Intel closed for the week at $20.34, and we're going to have 100 shares come Monday morning. Mara, let's see where that stands. It's gone down since yesterday. Actually went up a little bit, but we're not in the money on that one yet. So take a peek here. Yeah, we're not in the money. That's a $21 strike. We're still at 22.73. That one expires next Friday, so we'll find out there whether we just get to keep that $50 or we get assigned 100 shares of Mara for the following Monday. If we just, if it expires worthless, we'll probably just turn around and sell another put and try and get the shares next week. If not, we'll just keep collecting the premium. And today we added silver trust for $27. So we'll see what happens, because I think that one expires next Friday too. So next Friday we got 2 to watch coming in. And yeah. Anyway, hope you guys all have a great weekend. I appreciate you watching, and just got any questions or anything or comments, let me know. I'm not a professional at this. I'm trying to figure it out, If you have any good solid advice, cool. I appreciate it. I'd like to hear from you. If you just got some wisecrack comments or want to tell me what an idiot I am, hey, I agree. I'm learning. Instructions for life is something that just doesn't, we didn't get those. Either that or they were lost with the box when I was opened as a pup. I don't know. But, anyways, yeah, appreciate you all. Take care. Have a great weekend. And thanks for watching.